This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
So in this video, we are going to see few tools which are necessary for any cybersecurity student, and these tools are under $40. So let's just start. So first of all, we will see this Wi-Fi adapter. So this Wi-Fi adapter is Atrios AR927, and this adapter works very good. It supports APU mode as well, and we have a separate antenna with it, so we can connect any different antenna with it, any large size antenna with it. So we have this antenna with it. So this adapter is around $10, I suppose, with the antenna. And then we have this Bluetooth adapter. So this is another thing which you need to have for Bluetooth penetration testing, and this is 5.4 Bluetooth adapter. And this is a specific Bluetooth adapter. There are certain adapters which comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth which don't work properly. So this adapter is only for Bluetooth and it works very well. So we have this adapter, and we also have a separate antenna with it. So this works fine. It's around $5, right? And then we have this cable set. Let me open it. So we have different cables over here. You can see, let me just focus. So we have C type, and we have micro cable. We have this USB as well, so we can connect different cables with it, right? So this is a cable set which you need to have, and this is around $2. And then we have this DJ Spark, which works as a bad USB, and it can inject keystrokes. So this one is also necessary. It's around $1 to $2. You can get it easily, right? And then we have this Raspberry Pi Zero W, which is around $15, I suppose. And we have this cable as well, so we can connect this Wi-Fi adapter with it, and we can also charge it with C type, right? So this is Raspberry Pi Zero W, and we have a Kali Linux installed on it, so we can work with it. So these are different tools which I think are necessary for any cybersecurity student to work on different domains of cybersecurity, whether it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or any other thing which we can for that which we can use Raspberry Pi Zero W. So these are few necessary things which you should have. Thank you.